What's going on, you guys? Today I'm here to talk about what CPM is. I think everybody here knows what CPA, cost per action, or CPL, cost per lead, all that. CPM is cost per thousand, not million, but thousand. I know it's confusing. It took me a while to understand it too. And what it generally refers to is either YouTube videos for AdSense, or if you're running banner ads. YouTube, if you're running AdSense or blog like I'm on right now with my blog, you get give or take $1 or more per 1,000 views. In the niche I'm in, generally it's somewhere in the neighborhood of 15 to 30 bucks per 1,000 views. And it's what I'm actually here to talk about today is running banner ads. Basically, the best banner ad network I've found is buysellads. What it is you can figure out other way like sponsored content, email, display, or native performance for marketing, advertise technology for publishers. Of course, you can put it in marketplaces, enterprise, upgrade. Let me show you the marketplace to show you what I'm talking about as far as CPMs. It'd be easier to explain. What you do, all this is advertisers. Here you got Gun Deals, Search Engine Journal, BitTurnt, HTML Dog. Really don't know what that is. But see this low end talk has got 262,000 impressions a month. This Search Engine Journal's got 3.16 million. What is this one? cplus.com. I don't know what that is. I've never heard of it. Android Central. You can put ads there. That means, let's see, gaming home. A lot of times what I do is I really like government and politics because a lot of times you get newspapers and everything. It helps. Or you can go business and finance. I knew it was on there. I just had to wait on it. See, then you got like investing. Say you got a crypto. It's investment channel network. Because I will run banner ads for that and make some money. They got over 60 million impressions. Leaderboard is available and it's 60 million impressions and it's $10 per 1,000 visit or 1,000 views. Yeah, that can get expensive. But you got to look at the impressions you're getting. Okay, say if you got 10% of that for 1,000, that'd be 100 people, whether it be an opt-in form or a CPA offer or a lead or whatever. You can make some decent money with it, and you can make a couple $100 anyway. And if you done that every day, there's your $100 a day. Let's go back and see what else. Let's go to a smaller channel, and there's the reason why I want to. Alright, cheap. Because a lot of times on the smaller channels, wickedfire.com, I think I've looked at this one before. Sometimes on these smaller channels they'll actually let you buy by the month. Well, this is still See this right here, you can get it for $6.97 for 1,000 views. Estimated 24,000 impressions. Make money online, 10,000 monthly impressions. Let's see if it does by the month. Some of them do, some of them don't. Let's see, $80 per 30 days. 9,000 impressions. $100. You know, it's not a super big site, but they'll let you do the 30-day deal, which is really nice. Well, that one's out of the question too. But yeah, I mean, you know, guys, you can make a lot of money with this if you want to go and get banners and put them on other people's websites. You don't have to have your own website. All you have to do is pay to rent a spot on the website and make money. If you've got websites out there that you know that you like, sometimes you can just get hold of them and ask them, can I put a banner on your website? I'll pay you X amount of dollars for the month. You know, but anyway, if y'all found any value in this, click the like button, subscribe, comment, tell me where y'all are watching me from. If y'all need any help on passive income, check out the first link in the description. It'll be a 15-day course that's completely free. Or I'm sorry, it's not completely free anymore. But it'll help you build a complete course or a complete online business from scratch. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you tomorrow.